Welcome to Quick Time English, your channel for beginner English listening practice. We bring you slow English podcasts with simple, everyday stories to help you improve step by step. This episode is for beginner-level English learners. Ever wondered about family bonds? What makes a family feel close and happy? Let me share my easy family life tale. I live with my small family. There is my mom, my dad, my older sister, and me. We all get along with each other most of the time. My mom is kind and always smiles. My dad loves to tell jokes. My sister and I sometimes argue, but we make up quickly. In the morning, we wake up around the same time. We sit down for breakfast together. Mom makes eggs and toast. We talk about our plans for the day. Dad asks, "How did you sleep?" And we catch up on little things. It feels nice to start the day like that. After school or work, we help out around the house. I wash the dishes. My sister sets the table. Dad takes out the trash. Mom cooks dinner. We work as a team. Helping each other makes everything easier. In the evening, we hang out in the living room. We watch TV or play simple games. Sometimes we share stories from our day. My dad says, "Tell me about your day," and we all listen. These moments bring us closer together. On weekends, we spend more time together. We go for a walk in the park or visit grandparents. We laugh a lot and take photos. Family time like this keeps our bonds strong. Family is important because they support you. When I feel sad, they cheer me up. When I do well, they feel proud of me. We look out for each other every day. That is my easy family life tale. Family bonds make life better. What about your family? Think about the people close to you. Keep listening and practicing. Here are short explanations of the everyday chunks from the story. These are phrases native speakers use often. Get along with. This means having a good relationship with someone. Example, I get along with my sister. Make up. This means becoming friends again after an argument. Example, we argue, but we make up quickly. Sit down for. This means starting to eat a meal together. Example, we sit down for breakfast. Catch up on. This means talking about recent news or events. Example, we catch up on little things. Help out around the house. This means doing chores at home. Example, we help out around the house. Hang out. This means spending relaxed time together. Example, we hang out in the living room. Bring us closer together. This means making relationships stronger. Example, sharing stories brings us closer together. Cheer me up. This means making someone happy when they are sad. Example, my family cheers me up. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you for listening to QuickTime English. Remember, the key to improving your English is consistent practice. Always take time to listen again to the chunks we learned today and say them out loud several times. Repeat them clearly and confidently. This will help you remember them longer and make your listening and speaking much smoother over time. You are doing great just by practicing every day. Keep going, and your English will get better step by step. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.